A very good afternoon to you, students. Here we are once again. My name is Zach Washington and I am going to teach you more English. Welcome to England. Now please, go away. Yes, that's what we're looking at today. Different ways to say go away. Clear off. Boy, hey, clear off, will you? Oh, I wish you'd clear off. Clear off. As most of you already know, because every student in the world looks up the rude, offensive words in the dictionary on the first day of class, you will know that most insults to make people in English end with the word off. Clear off is a very nice expression because it doesn't contain an offensive swear word or rude word. Clear just means go or remove yourself. Do not ask me to teach you the bad language. Although if you go to Zach Washington's Guide to English website, lesson 16, Wormwood Scrubs Prison, you will find all the interesting, colourful language to tell people to off. Why don't you beep off, etc. Scram. Oi, scram. Scram is a very old but very useful single word that you can use to make somebody disappear. Oi, scram, will you? Get lost. Oi. Get lost. Who do you think you are coming to my channel? Subscribing, liking and sharing. Scram. Get lost. Bloody foreigners coming over to England, giving us English teachers all this work, giving us all this money. Scram! Not really. Get out of here. Out! Get out! I don't care who you are.